Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in SQL, which is LeetCode 1683, which is invalid tweets. In this you have to select the tweet ID, means you have to return the tweet ID which having content length more than 50, okay, more than 15. So you just have to select tweet ID, you have to select those columns which you have to return it, okay, from table name, which is tweet, from table tweets, sorry, where you have to write the condition where char length of content should be greater than 15. If it is greater than 15, then it is an invalid tweet, okay. So let's run it, whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this is fine. Let's submit it.